Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Feedly. Choose Google, Apple, or email so your reading syncs across devices. Once done, add sources immediately. Paste an RSS link or search publishers and keywords to subscribe. Make sure to create collections right away. Group similar sources so feeds stay organized. Also add a few tags for articles you'll want to find quickly. This first push saves time later. By structuring now, you avoid chaotic lists and make focused reading fast and repeatable. Next, customize how you consume content. Choose a layout that fits your goals. Titles only for speed, magazine for visuals, or full articles if you want depth. Then apply filters. Mute keywords or noisy sources and sort feeds by newest or relevance so you see what matters. Save important pieces to a board and sync those boards with Pocket or Evernote. Once configured, these settings convert a stream of links into a prioritized reading queue, so you focus on high-value articles without to finish, automate routine discovery. Enable Feedly alerts and configure Leo to prioritize topics or remove noise. This reduces manual scanning. Also schedule daily digests or turn on mobile offline mode. Sync before travel or if you expect poor signal. If something breaks, first re-add the RSS or publisher, then confirm your account sync and permissions. Finally, clear the app cache or reinstall if items still don't update. These steps wrap the setup and keep your reading flow reliable and uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.